So how can I find out theme Shopify store using, okay? So what you need to do is to right click on that website you want to find the theme they're using. Right click and then select inspect element. Then here press, why is not zooming out? I don't know. So press Command plus F and then here just enter, or sorry, just write Shopify dot theme. And then here's the result, and here's the name, and then here's the name of the theme. That's the theme actually I'm using because I'm testing this on my own website, and it actually worked. And now if that didn't work for you, this method, another method, you can go to this website, and here you should enter the website. Okay, so I've entered my own testing website. If I click on search theme, you can see it actually worked. It detected as the theme that I'm using. Look, so this is the theme I'm using actually on my store, and the current theme. So yeah. Now, if still this didn't work, that's because the developer, they actually downloaded this theme file and they renamed it. Maybe they just want to save it, to send it to a different person to work on the theme, whatever the reason might be, but they downloaded the file, they downloaded the theme file, and then they just renamed the file. And now that's the reason probably it's not working if you try all the methods showed you before. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe and like this video.